Nangyari sa ending, yun yung
Was ano, no? I think after a time out, kaya kami sa time out, napag-iwan ko sa court, uh, Eric was in the face of my ear. And that's all the way from their bench. So, iniisip ko pa, paano siya nakarating ng gano'n na hindi naman siya tinigilan ng referees. Also, I was trying to protect my players because he was trying to intimidate my team. I could do something. So, yun lang. Ganun lang. Magkakaibigan naman kami, pero pagdating sa laro, kanya-kanyang protect tayo dun sa mga interest natin. Kung ganun din gagawin niya pag ginawa ko yung player. But, wala naman sa akin.
you have some words you did.